So for my first act, I made it to the Pinewood picnic area. Absolutely no one here except for me and bear management, which, oh, nope, somebody slipped in on me over there, which is ironic because he's trying to get a read on a bear and I'm just starting to cook my fried rice. Alright, you just finished lunch. It's 12:48. You're leaving Pinewood picnic area, but you're going to make a loop. When you got here, absolutely nobody was here. These people showed up after, but for a while, all there was ranger patrol. It's a nice little place, especially if you wait to eat lunch a little bit later. It's 12:48, late July right now, and you can see shade starts to be a thing. I found like one of two shady spots pretty much right at noon. So this is the full drive-through of Pinewood picnic area. They have restrooms, they have trash cans, they have accessible paths and parking, and active bear management. So not just law enforcement patrol, but bear management contractors. I think I caught video of one of them actually coming and doing, I don't know if it's called a transponder scan or what, but a lot of these bears are tagged and they can actually track some of them over GPS from what I understand, and some of them they just get a ping off of. And now we're on our way.